TikTok ads is one of the biggest opportunities right now for e-commerce. And if you're not taking advantage, you need to watch to the end of this video. What's up, you guys? My name is Jaden and welcome back to the YouTube channel. I appreciate all of you guys for coming back for yet another video. Today, we're gonna be talking about TikTok ads. I'm gonna be giving you guys my full testing strategy. I'm gonna be showing you guys where I get my ads from. I'm gonna just show you in general why you should be using TikTok ads over Facebook ads, especially if you're a beginner, and so much more. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Also, I've never promoted this before, but I do have a brand new ebook called Dropshipping 101, A Beginner's Guide to Dropshipping. If you're looking to get into dropshipping and you don't know where to begin, check out the ebook. It'll be in the description. You don't have to, I'm not forcing you, but I just thought I'd let you guys know. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, you guys, so starting off this video, I actually have a few slides already created. Keep in mind, I just put these together, so the formatting isn't the greatest, but it'll still get my point across. So why TikTok ads? Well, it's a huge opportunity. I mean, I've been talking about TikTok ads for like over a year now. If you guys have been following me on my TikTok page, you probably have seen multiple videos about me talking about it. I believe it was like my second video I ever dropped on the platform was about TikTok ads. If I can find it, I'll put it on the screen. But anyways, even at that time, I was not taking advantage of it like I should have been. So if you were to make an account right now on TikTok, 0 followers, and post a video, you can get thousands or even millions of views on your very first video, which is extremely powerful. It reminds me back of the old Instagram days. My very first company that I saw any type of success was called In Performance, which was a Garcinia Cambogia supplement. I'm not sure if you guys could see that, but it was a supplement brand that we did multiple 7 figures, and I really believe that majority of the success that I had was because of the following I was able to create on Instagram, because I got in early. So that's what you need to do, or have that type of mindset coming into TikTok. You want to get in early. You want to get on it before all the businesses come over and get on TikTok ads, because right now there are a bunch more companies running ads on Facebook than there are on TikTok ads. The competition is really low right now. So that brings me to my first point. It's beginner friendly. So if you're a beginner looking to get into e-commerce and you're not sure what platform you should be running ads on, I'll be the first to tell you, run TikTok ads. There are so many videos out there that'll teach you how to use the platform. It's very easy to use. I actually have my own video where I walk you through the ads manager. I'll put it up on the screen. You guys can check it out if you want to. But yeah, it's very easy to use. It's not as complex right now as Facebook ads. There's a lot more that goes into it for Facebook. So I definitely recommend, if you're looking for something a lot easier, beginner friendly, definitely do TikTok ads. So reason number 2, it requires a smaller budget. So a lot of you guys will come to me and be like, hey, can I start running ads with $500? And I'll be like, I would gain a little bit more capital before starting with Facebook ads, because you're not giving yourself any room for failure or mistakes, or you're not giving yourself any money to have extra money for cash flow or anything like that. So I usually say you need upwards of like $2,000 to be able to get started with Facebook ads. But with TikTok ads, it's a little bit different. You're gonna be able to test a lot more products since it requires a smaller budget. You're gonna be able to gather data much faster. With Facebook ads, usually I would like to do $100 a day over a 3-day period. So you gotta let your ads run for a few days before you even touch any of the ad sets. You gotta let your pixel optimize, right? And a lot of people don't have the capital or the budget to be able to do that. So with TikTok ads, it's a little bit different. You can literally run $100 in one day on TikTok ads, let the whole budget spend, and you'll have a great idea if it's a winner or not. Like a lot of the times I won't even let a product run past the 2-day mark, just because you already have enough data and if it's a winning product or not. You can cut it and move on, or continue to scale. Point number 3, you can scale to 1K per day really easily if everything is done right. If you have the right creative. Let's just say, for example, you were to post an organic video on your TikTok page and it got like 1 million views. You can probably say you're probably gonna generate like 10 to 20K. I've seen it happen before, and it's not too far-fetched. And the last point is, TikTok right now is Facebook in the early days. It's a huge opportunity and a lot of people are sleeping on it. So anyways, moving on. So this is my TikTok ads testing strategy. It's really easy. It's not complex at all. It's one ABO campaign, which is ad set budget optimization, not a CBO, but an ABO campaign optimized for purchases with 5 ad groups inside of that campaign, each at $20 per day. So that's gonna be $100 in total. Like I said before, with Facebook ads, you're going to be testing over a few days before you even test the ad sets and start cutting things. with TikTok ads, you're able to gather data really quickly. So you'll know after the first day, day and a half, if you want to move forward or if you want to just cut the product and move on to something else. So I recommend just doing $100 for the entire day. You can do less than that, but you do need some data, guys. So I think $100 is actually perfect. So all of the ad groups are going to have open targeting. You can add a few interests if you like. So for example, sometimes I'll do like 4 of the ad groups just completely open, and then one of the ad groups I'll add like 1 interest depending on what the product is. Okay, I'm not going to say that interests don't work, but I just have seen a lot more success by just keeping everything broad. And then lastly, for the campaign, you want to test with at least 2 or 3 creatives. 1 creative is not enough. Creatives run and die out very easily on TikTok compared to Facebook. With Facebook ads, you can run with one ad for a minute, okay? With TikTok, you're gonna have to be constantly putting in new creatives constantly, okay? So you wanna start off with 2 or 3 in each ad group. Each ad group needs to have 2 or 3 different creatives, okay? You don't have to, go crazy and make completely brand new videos. Sometimes just changing up the sound will work. Or sometimes, a lot of times what I'll do is I'll just change up the hook, the first, couple seconds of the video, and then you're good to go, okay? But you wanna have at least 2 or 3 in each ad group. This is key. All right, so here are the different ways that you can get user-generated content or just content in general. So I like to use viral ecom ads. I actually put a little bit of a typo here. It's ADZ, not ADSZ. Viralecomads.com. You can check them out. They have like this split testing package where it comes with 3 different ads. Pretty much what they do is they just take clips from the internet, put them together. They'll even throw a voiceover, put music on it if you request that. And that'll be good, for about a week or so, okay? You don't want to be running ads using content from the internet. You want to have your own ads, okay? But if you just want to, get the ball rolling, this is a perfect package for you. They also have, a service where you can send your product to them, and they will have some of their creators or whoever they have under contract actually make a video for you, so that way you can have some UGC content. But for UGC content, I actually like to use Bilo. Bilo is a website where you can actually send them your product. They'll connect you with an influencer, and then they'll make the content for you. And this is only like $60. I think it's $80 max. It just depends on how long you want the ad. So that's what I use for UGC. Bands off ads is pretty much the same thing as viral ecom ads, another service where you can go ahead and get advertisements. You can use Fiverr. I'm sure there's people on there that will actually make you similar things to viral ecom ads and bands off ads. They'll take clips from the internet, but you get what you pay for with Fiverr. In my opinion, I would go with viral ecom ads for this, or bands off ads, whatever you prefer. But you can also hire influencers or hire, different people to make content for you on Fiverr as well. You just have to do a couple searches. You can also hire an influencer. You can find someone like a lifestyle, influencer, or a beauty influencer, or a fitness influencer. Whatever your product is, you can send it to them, pay them, communicate with them, whatever you need to do. And, you can get content that way. That might be a great way as well, just because you'll probably be able to get a post from them, and, you'll get the content. So, that's a great way as well. My favorite way is just by buying the product on Amazon and doing it myself. The reason why I like to do it myself is because I already make content on TikTok. I already know the trends, and I'm doing this every single day. So it's really easy for me to make content, okay? But do keep in mind, I can't do it for every single product. So say, for example, I want to test like a beauty product, or at one time there was a curling iron that was really hot. Obviously, I'm not a female. I don't have long hair, so I can't make that myself. So in that case, I would have to hire, viral ecom ads, Bilo, etc. But yeah, these are all the services that I could think of off the top of my head. Do whatever suits your needs. I've used all of these services, and they're great. All right, so for the next part of this video, I actually want to show you a few brands and a few example ads of some companies that are probably doing extremely well. So this is PP Ads. I was going to make an entire tutorial about this, but I just felt like I already did a tutorial on Drop by Spy, Big Spy, Ad Spy. I mean, I've done them all, and I didn't really want to make another one, so I'm going to just throw it in this one. So this is PP Ads. This is what I use to look up TikTok ads and see what's working in the market. It's pretty much the same as any other ad spy tool, but it only focuses on TikTok. So here's all the filters that you have. I usually will do like e-commerce, or I'll just keep it on all, it doesn't really matter. I choose United States and Canada just because I run ads to both of those countries. And I'll just choose shop now, e-commerce platform, Shopify, ad type non-branded, because this will most likely be all dropshipping products. As you can see, this product right here is a dropshipping product. And I like to also do last seen, because you want products that are seen, or ads that are being ran right now. Okay, so I'll just choose today, or I'll usually choose within the past week. And then I'm actually gonna mess with the popularity. I wouldn't usually mess with this. I would probably put it up to maybe like, maybe 200 or so. But since we're looking for advertisements that are performing really well, I'm gonna just put this up so that way we can get, some better performing ads. All right, so I didn't even have to look long. Literally, we're gonna look at the very first ad after we put these filters in, which is from a company called Loving Surprise. The first thing that I would look at is how long they've been running this product for, because you don't wanna start, testing products that have already been ran for a long period of time. So this product has been running for 6 days. This lets you know that it's selling, because by now they probably would have called it quits, okay? So they've been running the ads from February 9th to February 14th. You can see the ad impressions, you can see how many days it's been ran, you can see the popularity. Popularity equals likes and comments, shares. The higher the value, the more the customers like it. This is PP Ads' way of determining if an ad is doing well or not, okay? So I'm gonna click on the ad and I'm gonna let you guys watch it, so that way you can see what a UGC content should look like. Okay, so here's the ad. Hopefully it doesn't echo. But as you can see, you can customize the necklace, and whenever you look in it, it'll show whatever the picture that you chose, which is really cool and definitely something that people would buy, especially around this time with Valentine's Day, even though it's about to pass up. But this is a product you can sell year round. So they just show it off. You can see if you zoom it in, now it's a girl with her boyfriend. So yeah, you kind of get the point. So this one's actually 35 seconds. I usually keep my ads, pretty short, but I mean, if it works, it works. So obviously this is doing really well, so it doesn't matter. It'll show you an estimated cost of how much they've already spent running ads for this product, which is $2,400 to about $5,000. And then it tells you estimated orders. So they've already made somewhere between 83 to 487 orders, which is really useful. So it'll show you the actual TikTok URL. So I'll show you guys that, so you can copy it, put it in here, and it'll bring you to the actual TikTok. So you can actually check out the company, check out what they're doing, and things of that nature, okay? And then you can come back and you can actually click on their landing page, and it'll take you to the landing page of the actual product. You can get some inspiration. You can see what the competitor is selling it for, see what type of variants they have, see different ways that you can actually come in and improve the product. Just looking at this website, I can already tell you off the rip, how many different ways that you could, come in and make this better. You can add gifts, you can add more reviews, you can make the text stand out a little bit more, add some more features and things like that. But that's for you to decide. So that is a great example of, a company that's doing it right as far as content goes. And it's definitely something that you should model yourself after. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna show you one more example so that way you can kind of get a better understanding. So this is from a company called Casely. I've seen them plenty of times. Basically, they're a company that sells a bunch of different cases for your phones, for iPhone, Android. They have a bunch of different styles, and they are always killing it on ads. I see them all the time. So as you can see, they have an 8.7K popularity according to PP Ads. They are running, or they've been running this ad for 17 days, and the ad already has 2.5 million impressions. So I'm gonna play the ad so you can check it out. Showing off the cases. They got an influencer to do this for them. Showing off the colors. And that's it. That's it. I'm telling you, a lot of people overthink these types of ads. Like, a lot of the times, a lot of these advertisements that are running that are making a bunch of money are not this one in particular, but I'm just saying in general, I see a lot of dumb ads that are just like literally just showing the product with some music in the background, and that is it. And that's what makes this so cool and such a great opportunity, because you can make these ads yourself. Okay. So, yeah, that ad was 11 seconds. TikTok likes watch time. I'm not sure how that works as far as TikTok ads goes, but I like to keep my ads very short and straight to the point. So this one does that. So they've already spent upwards of 13 grand to $33,000 on this specific ad. And the estimated orders is about 431 to 3,365 orders, which is insane. So not sure how accurate that is, but I'm pretty sure that it's somewhere in that ballpark. Okay, so this is the actual TikTok. It'll take you right to the TikTok page. You can check out their actual, their actual profile, and then you can check out their landing page just by clicking the link. And as you can see, they actually aren't running it to a specific case. They're running it to a bunch of different cases. So you can click on which one that you want to look at, check out their description, check out what they're selling it for. I would use something like Ollie Hunter or Koala Inspector to be able to actually inspect this store and see what their best selling products are. That's a little hint for you if you guys haven't checked out my Ollie Hunter tutorial. I'm gonna put this up here on the screen. I think it's one of the best spy tools that you can have. I'm not sure if you can see it. It may be cut off on the screen, but I have it down here. In any Shopify store, I can literally click on what the best selling products are, what apps they're using on their stores, and all that type of jazz. So definitely check out those if you're doing some product research. All right, you guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. I appreciate it if you've made it to the end. As you can see, a bunch of companies are making a lot of money with TikTok ads, and if you're not on the platform yet, definitely get on it. If you enjoyed the video or got some type of value from it, I would really appreciate it if you go ahead and drop a like, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Check out the description for the Dropshipping 101 Beginner's Guide ebook. And yeah, I'll see you guys next Friday.